Good morning. Today in this video we will take some questions relating to capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. I consider them as important. You all go through that. I have given two practice questions also, solve them also. Okay. Now in the previous videos we had discussed all the methods relating to valuation of goodwill. Go through them also and practice the unsolved questions. We are studying chapter 3 goodwill, nature and valuation, and we are going to take two practice questions. So questions are very important. Understanding them will help you to solve the questions correctly. So give proper time and read each and every word properly. A firm earns rupees 1,60,000 as its average profit. So average profit of the firm is 1,60,000. The rate of normal profit being 10%. That means normal rate of return is 10%. The assets of the firm amounted to rupees 20 lakh and liabilities 8 lakh 80,000. With the help of these two information, assets and liabilities, we can calculate the capital. Okay. So now read the last line. Calculate the value of goodwill according to capitalization of average profit. We have to capitalize average profit. Okay. So first step, write down what is average profit and then capitalize it. Capitalize means we will divide it by the normal rate of return and multiply average profit by 100. So average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. That is 1,60,000 into 100 divided by 10. It is 16 lakh rupees. Now net assets. Total assets minus outside liabilities. Total assets is 20 lakh and total liabilities, outside liabilities is 8 lakh 80,000. All of you calculate the difference. So what will be the difference? It is 11 lakh 20,000 rupees. Okay. Then goodwill. We have to find the difference between the capitalized value of the firm and the net assets. Capitalized value is 16 lakh rupees and net assets is 11 lakh 20,000. So the difference is 4 lakh 80,000. So the value of the firm goodwill on the basis of capitalization of average profit method is 4 lakh 80,000 rupees. Okay. Now let's take another question. Read it carefully. Average profit. They have not mentioned the average profit, but they have mentioned that the firm earns a profit of 4 lakh rupees. So average profit it is. Normal rate of return in similar industry is 10%. Okay. So average profit is 4 lakh rupees. Average rate of return is 10%. Now total assets excluding goodwill. Okay, we will not include goodwill, otherwise it will be double valuation. Okay, so outside assets is valued at total assets are valued at 44 lakh rupees and outside liabilities are valued at 11 lakh 20,000 rupees. So the difference we will get capital. Okay, and the question says calculate the value of goodwill according to the capitalization of super profit. So average profit given is 4 lakh rupees. Capital employed is 44 lakh minus 11 lakh 20,000. So 32 lakh 80,000 is the capital employed. Normal profit 32 lakh 80,000 into 10 upon 100, that is 3 lakh 28,000 rupees. Super profit rupees, that is write down the formula all of you. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profits, that is average profit is 4 lakh rupees, normal profit is 3 lakh 28,000 rupees. So it is rupees 3 lakh 28 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 28, super profit is equal to 72,000 rupees. Goodwill is by capitalizing the super profit. So we will divide 72,000 by 10%. Formula is super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. All of you write down. super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. So 72,000 into 100 divided by 10, that is rupees 7,20,000 rupees. Okay, again go through both these illustrations. Now I have given you two practice questions, similar language. I have not changed that, values has been changed so that you can solve it. Understand this? Okay, answers I will send you later on. Okay, the first one is capitalization of super profit and the second one is capitalization of average profit. Similar two questions we have solved just now. Okay.